I am not surprised that this hair is trending, again, because I remember 4 years ago, if I'm not mistaken, 2021 stroke 2022, when the brand, I mean, wiggy.co.uk, they deserve to be mentioned. So when they first sent me this hair back then, it was my first time seeing anything like this, and after I created the hairstyle with that hair went viral, especially on my YouTube channel. And of course they made good sales, you get. So years later, I think 2024, I also worked with another brand with this same hair texture, hair type. Now the hair is trending again, but with a different hairstyle completely. And I'm like, okay, since I still have this hair, why don't I try this trending style? Hence why, you're seeing this video right now. But because I've used this hair over and again, if I calculate correctly, this should be the fifth time using this hair. Okay. And so, when once you use hair, take it down, use hair, take it down, you get to lose some of the hair. So I no longer have enough of the hair to give me the kind of volume that I want. Okay. So I could not do the exact trending hairstyle. So I decided to just go with, braiding with the hair, as you can see me do right here. Though I already did the single plait, but then I could not crochet the hair, extension to my hair as the trending hairstyle. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to explain. Then I decided to do this method you guys have seen me do in this video, which I believe it turned out great, but I would have preferred if the hair was fuller. You get. So this hairstyle is still on the table. Of course, I will still do it. I mean, the exact trending style now. I will still find a way to do that. But yeah, this is what this looks like after the whole installation. I was like, this is not full enough at all. So I had to use another method to add some hair to the braided part, or rather the braided hair. And yeah, this is actually the first method. There, I'm going to show you the other method in few minutes. Okay, so this one was basically crochet the hair to the root of the braid. You understand? So after I did that, after a couple of crochet, or after a couple of strands, I noticed that the thread on the extension was peeping through, which I didn't like at all. So I had to come up with another method to hide the thread, which you guys are going to be seeing in few minutes. I mentioned that already. So this is what this one looks like right now, and this is how far I have come. But at this time, or rather at this point, I already started with the second method. So basically, I crochet the hair to the extension to the root of the braids, and then I just go ahead and plait it with the already braided hair. I don't know if that makes sense, but then I stop at where the thread ends. You get the point? So that way I can hide the thread from the braiding from the hair, and you can't see it. And that is basically how I did install the rest part of the yeah, I mean, attach the rest hair to the braided hair, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's how I just continued. This step was really really easy. If well, anyways, it's okay. So at this point I was done installing the no, I wasn't done, but I was done with the front part of it. So I had to go off camera and install the back Jesus, the back part off camera. So there was one thing that surprised me. You see, after unraveling the braided part, I braided the front part of the way so I can easily walk. Do you see how the coils got defined after unraveling the braids? Do you see that, you guys? It's stunning. But one thing I did is I did wash the extension a night before the installation day, so I left it to air dry overnight. And you guys take a look at this hair. You'll not believe this hair has spent 4 years, 4 years with me, and I have used it multiple times, right? Exactly. Invest in good hair. Yes, I am saying that. Invest in good hair. So at this point, I was done with installation, and this is what it looks like. On this day, I just wasn't feeling feeling it. What's the word? Yeah, I wasn't in the mood to wear makeup. Yeah, now wait till I want to try talk with that one. So I wasn't in the mood to wear makeup, so I just had to come to you guys with my bare face. I hope you guys don't mind. Yeah, this is basically it, you guys. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let me read let me read what you think, of course. And this is basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye y'all.